Hello everybody, how are you all doing? This is Abhinavika Radhavi, your life coach, and I have been so excited to unbox this June video because in lockdown we were somehow we were able to finish our April month box, but we were just not able to do our May month box. So I felt we launched it in March and we haven't been able to do a box, but we are back. We've been able to do this June box. So here it is, and we are going to unbox this and see what all we have here. Okay, so this has our Live Lifefully, which is something that I keep using as a sign off in all my mails as well. So it keeps reiterating to me that every day life is beautiful. So try and enjoy as much as possible and see what best we can do about life. Okay, so this is a colorful box. So the first thing here is this interesting letter that every month I have one which is written to the subscriber, to the person who's receiving the box. And this month we've talked about lockdown, we've talked about how we can support them, what are some things that they're going through, and there is this small QR code. So the person who receives the box, once they scan it, they will be able to go into the June month box where complete details about everything that goes into this kit, to the activity or DIY activity, and everything will be given in that page. You can also go to abhinavika.com/lifefulnessbox and have a look at the June 2020 page to see what all is there. And this is our coaching and reflective activity. So every month the box has something reflective about it. So and it has some worksheets or it has some reflective activity. This month we've done about lockdown learnings, because during this lockdown I have learned personally a lot about myself, and I found that with my son, I found that with my friends, I found that with my husband, and similarly I'm sure each one of you, everybody has a new learning about yourself, something about your resilience, something about your creativity, something about your problem solving, or even patience for that matter, right? There is so many things that we have actually been able to sit there and experience. So there must have been a lot of challenges too, but overcoming those challenges, we also had certain values and certain traits in ourselves which enabled us to overcome those challenges. And this is the reflective activity we are doing this month. It talks about what are those things that you were able to figure out, and obviously the person who's receiving it is going to be excited to try doing that, I'm sure. Okay, and this is just along with the reflective activity. What we wanted to give them was to show that how good or confident and how nice the person is, and that is what has enabled them to actually stay put and manage this whole pandemic in a different way. So this is an affirmation magnetic sheet that we were able to make. So it is personalized, so each box has the person's name. So let me show you mine, which I've stuck here. So it says, I am Abhi, awesome, smart, loving, amazing, compassionate, limitless, and confident. I am who I am. So this is what this magnetic sheet is all about. And we didn't want this to be a perfect square or a perfect round, because we all come with our imperfections. We all come with different shapes. So we made sure each one of these magnet sheets are cut slightly differently, and it's personalized with the name. And when we thought of this idea, it also showed, so this can be put up in your office space, it can be put in your fridge, it can be put up in any space, but the more we keep looking at it, it's going to keep reiterating to us that this is all, a lot of these is what we are, right? And affirmations are a beautiful way. I have experienced it personally. Affirmations have been a great way to connect with myself, a great way to, in fact, motivate myself, I would say. So, and in fact, for a lot of kids, we also have these big posters for our children's program where we give these huge affirmation poster, and that's the best thing the kids have actually loved and liked. And we've seen certain affirmations going very deep inside them, and that's why we thought this was very important to go in the June box. Okay, there you go. The next thing is the face mask. Obviously, we've been using different type of masks, and there are so many things that we've heard, but we wanted to excite the lady who's receiving the box, because we wanted to make it colorful, we wanted to make it fun. And this mask, I am using, this is like, double triple layered mask, so it's quite effective. And what I really love about this, let me wear this and let me wear mine and show you. So this is my very similar mask which I've been using during the lockdown, and this really covers the whole face. Like if I wear it, and then you can see it's covering all through here, and it's quite easy to talk through this. And I had one of these trainings where I went and did an in-person training in the beginning of June month. I could wear this mask and continue the whole day's training without much trouble, and I was able to breathe properly, and it was fun because I was also trying to match with the clothes that I was wearing. How exciting that is. Okay, so that is the mask we wanted to give. And this is something which is also very, very interesting. This has a lot of herbs, and this bottle of herbs, I use it for my hair at home. My sister-in-law, all of us use it. So it has various flowers, it has rose, it has roots, it has shikakai, it has so many of these herbs which are actually very, very good for our hair. So all the person has to do, has to fill this with a slightly warm coconut oil, and probably fill it up till here and let it rest for 2 to 3 weeks. And once that's done, start using the oil. You can filter it out. You can actually reuse this oil this whole herbs twice as well. It has amla, it has so many good things that are needed for our hair. So I thought this will be a nice thing during lockdown, or even a good oil massage is something I'm sure all of us are craving for. And this is something we added into this box. Okay. So I have this nice candle, glass and candle holder, and we've given 3 tea light candles so that it can be used for few weeks or whatever, how many ever times they want to use, and they can obviously keep refilling it with that. But again, the idea of this glass is, it's a slightly broken glass, but the thought was to make sure that we see beauty in everything. We see beauty in whatever life gives us, right? So the kind of light that comes out of this candle is so beautiful. So do have a look at our page. We've put in some pictures of it. So this is something. And also we are doing a lot of mindfulness activity in each of our boxes. So we're kind of looking at creating a mindfulness corner for the person who's receiving our boxes. So they're able to do very, very multiple things around their one small area in their house, and set it up so nicely that they'll be able to sit and meditate and really relax and all of it. Okay. Okay, so this month I also have put in another soap. This is a goat milk and honey soap. Again, it's done by my son, handmade by Pradi. That's his brand. Interestingly, we've been able to create a website for him. We've been able to actually do some good work during the lockdown. So, and this soap is something that we've used it even in our hair. It's so good. It makes our hair really soft. It's obviously very good for our skin, and it has pure coconut oil, it has organic honey in it, and it has goat milk base. So another exciting product for me. Okay, so this is also something that I found during the lockdown. I always go to Khadi, which is the the government store, but we get really good organic and these stuff are made by members of Khadi. There are small self-help groups, there are small units that prepare so many different kind of snacks and everything. So this was a new chicky that we found. It is more like a soft peanut burfi. That's what it says. It's a soft peanut burfi cake style, but this is beautiful substitute to any sweet. So when the first time I had it, I really thought this was some kaju katli, or it was some, it really tasted like that, except that the peanut flavor was there. But I really felt this was actually a sweet that somebody bought from some mithai shop, but it was chicky and beautiful and very interesting. So we thought, let's give them a full pack of that. Obviously it's healthy, so healthy way to indulge during the lockdown. Okay, so okay, now I'm sure when you look at what I put here, you're all gonna have a smile on your face, but this is what I wanted to give. You know, it is a mango. This was something which I had put in my list in the May month box, because May, June, July, I indulge in mangoes like anything. Not just me, I'm sure most of you are doing it. And to give a touch of summer, to give a touch of personal thing, because all of these might be products which obviously it's not any fruit or anything, but I felt a fruit can give that really personal touch to the person who's receiving it, which they wouldn't expect, I'm sure. So I thought an ideal organic mango, so which I went and bought in a farm, would be really nice for the person to receive. So what I do is every day my breakfast is a mango with a cereal, or it's an overnight oats with mangoes, or it's a smoothie bowl, or you can do really a lot, or just eat it like that, you know. So it's your choice of what you can do, but I felt this will be so interesting for the person to receive. And this time the boxes are all going here only in Chennai, because the subscribers for us for this month are all here. So why not give them a mango, right? Okay, so before I go into the DIY, this is a discount coupon of 500 rupees which we have put in for our 15 days mindfulness practice. So we are starting a new program on 28th of June. It is for 15 days, so it ends on 12th of July. During the lockdown, we've realized we've done mindfulness programs with many corporates. We've been able to do it with many individuals. We've done it as a 21-day challenge. We've done as a 10-day challenge. We've done it as workshops. We've done it across the globe. Many people across the globe have participated in our mindfulness program, and we thought this interesting thing which we are going to do, why not give our subscriber a discount coupon to that? So a 15-day, 15-minute. So for all subscribers who are receiving this box, you have a 500 rupees coupon which you can use. So this has been given to all the 3-month subscribers who have subscribed for 3 months with us. All of them are receiving this, and we'll be excited to take them on this mindfulness journey. And this is the last thing that we put in. This is a dream catcher. The DIY this time is a dream catcher. So if you put in some color feathers, we've put in some beads, and we've also put in these for them to actually do the dream catcher. I have always loved dream catchers because I find them very colorful, I find them very interesting, I find them to brighten up our day when I see a dream catcher there hanging in near my window. So it's the beauty of it. One side, it is also about dreams. So we want to just tell all of you who are receiving the box that none of these situations can stop you from dreaming. Dream as much as possible. So create your own dream catcher, hang it there, and while you're doing it, use this as your mindfulness practice as well. Think about all the dreams that you wanted to fulfill in 2020. Don't let them go. Think of it again. See how you want to take it forward, and just connect with your dream as you do it. And then buying dream catchers is one thing, but you doing it yourself and actually hanging it with the dream in your mind really keeps connecting to your subconscious to say, this is the dream because of which this dream catcher is there in my house. So I use the dream catchers like that. I'm sure you will also enjoy it. So this is all what we had for this month in the box. Quite an exciting box again. But we are going to be back with another exciting box next month. So if you are someone who's watching the video, if not subscribed, but this sounds exciting for you, please subscribe to our boxes. Every month we take a lot of effort to put in things into the box. We think, from how can this self-care and this how can we really enlighten yourself, and that's the thought behind every month's box. So do subscribe, and if you have any doubts, reach out to me. See you again in the next box. Bye.